Alright, so I have a 2015 GMC Arcadia. Been working on this thing for like a week. Had to do a lot of diagnosing on this thing, replace a lot of fuses. Customer called me up that the key got stuck, and then they accidentally stabbed a hole into the theft deterrent module. I replaced it. I will post a picture of the theft deterrent module that was broken. They had several locksmiths come out and try and get this thing reprogrammed. And then I finally traced down the issues. And I finally got it. Finally was able to program the theft deterrent module. I couldn't do this with a scan tool. I had to use dealership software. But voila, it's up and running. And happy about that. And now customers happy. About to get out of here, get my money, and yeah, we out. Peace.